Hi guys, Lauren here from Brownlows. Another arrival into us today. We have this Ford Tourneo Custom independent wheelchair accessible vehicle, only 48,000 miles on the clock. Let's take a look in the inside of the vehicle here now. To the inside of the van here now, you've got your full cloth interior, 2 passenger seats in the front of course with your drivers, 6-speed manual gearbox, all your climate controls down here for you as well, Bluetooth, DAB radio, it's all on here for you, cruise control settings on the left hand side of your steering wheel as well, and again only 48,000 miles on the clock. Of the van, you do have 3 extra seats here as well. Of course, they can be popped down for more additional storage, but there is 3 seats back here, of course, with that wheelchair accessible ramp at the back for you as well. Of course, this vehicle, it comes with a full 12 months MOT, no advisories, serviced, 3-month warranty and 12-month AA breakdown cover. Vehicle's just come in with us today. Of such low mileage, it will not be around for long. You can find the full specification on our website, brownlowcars.co.uk, or pop down and see us. You can find us on 351 Haughton Road, DL1 2BP. If you would like to arrange a test drive, give me a call. My name's Lauren. I'm from the sales team here at Brownlows. The number is 01325 484 870.